Parrot. Parrot scientific classification. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Aves. Order Psittaciformes. Family Psittacidae. Genus Psittacus. Scientific name Psittaciformes. Parrot facts. Food: fruit, nuts, seeds, insects. Group behavior: solitary. Most distinctive feature: large colorful body and curved beak. Incubation period between 2.5 and 4 weeks. Habitat: rainforests and tropical jungle. Diet: omnivore. Average clutch size 2. Location: worldwide. Parrot physical characteristics. Color: yellow, red, blue, white, green. Skin type: feathers. Top speed 15 miles per hour. Lifespan 40 to 80 years. Weight 10 g, 4, 000 g, 0.02 pounds to 5.9 pounds. Height 8 centimeters to 100 centimeters, 3.5 inches to 39 inches. Age of sexual maturity between 6 months to 1 year of age. Wingspan 15 centimeters to 140 centimeters, 5.9 inches to 56 inches.